Atlassian just dropped their 2025 sessions for Team 25, and we're going to be taking a look at what Atlassian is going to be focusing on in their annual Team 25 conference this year. Before we jump into all the details, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you drop a like on this video, and more importantly, let me know in the comment section, are you going to be at Team 25? And don't forget to check out that link tree in the description so you can set up some one-on-one time with me, buy the book, buy the merch, buy the paid course, the free courses, all the good stuff that I have available for you in that link tree. Let's jump into Atlassian Team 25 and let's take a look at those sessions. All right, so here is the in-person session catalog for Team 25. And we are going to find a couple of patterns, but make sure you stick around because I have a little surprise for you that we're going to be covering towards the end of this video. So don't drop off just yet, but let's take a look at some of the sessions here. So we're going to kick things off with Ready, Set, AI. And I want you to keep an eye on this AI lettering because this is going to be prominent in a lot of different places. So we have AI for the first one. We have do less, deliver more with Asset Data Manager, so JSM, ITSM. We have System of Work. So those are three themes that we're going to be seeing quite a bit. AI, System of Work, and ITSM. Those happen to be Atlassian's favorite buzzwords right now. But as we scroll down, we have ML, we have AI, we have Trello, which I thought that was interesting to see Trello in here, but we have AI, we have collaboration, so system of work, think system of work, a lot of AI. We have assets, so ITSM, AI, Aldi transforms digital global retail with Jira Cloud. Oh, that's interesting. System of work, AI, ITSM, right? Ooh, we even have fortifying your data center security. So that's interesting one. We're gonna have a data center one. That I was not expecting. But as you can see, system of work, AI, and ITSM, very, very popular. So a lot of cool sessions here available for Team 25. So make sure that if you're going to be attending Team 25 in person this year, that you sign up for them. Now, a couple that I want to highlight, we have the Are You Smarter Than a Jira Admin? This is a popular YouTube series that my buddy Sajid runs over on YouTube. And so I'm excited to go see this in person. I think this is going to be kind of cool to see it live. But as we keep going down the list here, as we keep going through all the different sessions that are going to be available, I want you to pay attention to one specific session here that's going to be a learning session. Now, if you look closely, if you zoom in, I'm going to click on the show more. You may notice a familiar face, and that's right. I am going to be doing an official session myself. This is the first time, 45 minutes. It's going to be awesome. I'm already super nervous, but super excited. But it's going to be great. It's going to be, I'm going to be taking one of my community led courses, the Jira Advanced Roadmaps or the plans. It's one of my more popular online courses that I do. And for the first time ever, we're going to be doing it live. So if you're attending Team 25, make sure you sign up. Make sure you make a spot for this particular session because this is one session you are not going to want to miss out on. This is my first session ever, and it would be super cool, super awesome if you can all come, fill up the entire room. I'm envisioning maybe some standing audience. If you can bring all of your closest friends that are going to come to Team 25, make your way over to, I don't have all the details. I don't know when, I don't know what time, but as soon as I have those details, I'm going to be dropping a video on that. But make sure you are making some room on your schedule for this session. This is one you're not going to want to miss, especially if you're a fan of the channel. So again, a lot of sessions, a lot of focus on AI, a lot of focus on ITSM, a lot of focus on system of work, and then of course my special session. So I'm excited for Team 25. I hope you are as well. I can't wait for all the times and the locations to come out so that I can start building my agenda. Now, we are still about 60 days away, so there's still some time here. I know that tonight I have to actually submit my outline, and so I'm going to be working on that as soon as I finish recording these videos, but I'm very, very excited. So I hope to see you there. If you're going to be at Team 25 and you plan on attending and you want to come to my session, make sure you come because I am going to be doing a book giveaway, and I'm also going to be providing a discount code. So if you want to buy my book and you want to get it signed, I will be there. Two of the other authors. There's going to be 4 total authors, but 3 are going to be at Team 25. So you're going to have an opportunity to get the other signatures. But again, I will have a discount code, which I'll provide in the future. But I am also going to be giving away a couple to participants in the session. So make sure you attend and be there and stay for the entire thing so you can participate in the giveaway of these books. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be there. If you're not, make sure you check out that link tree so you can see my Atlassian community-led courses that I do online. They're all in that link tree down below. So everything you need to know is down there. So can't wait to see you at Team 25.